Hey YouTube, Jonathan here at Night Knowledge. My mom and her side of the family all hail from Trinidad, where Polourie, a traditional street food, is found all over Trinidad. The way I describe it is something similar to a Timbit, so fried dough, but savory on the inside and dipped into something sweet, like a curry mango sauce or a tamarind sauce. I thought I'd show you a quick video on how it's made and the 2-drop method my auntie uses. So what happens if there's air bubbles in it?
I think it's splatter.
Oh yeah?
You're going to make a big hole in your Polourie.
Okay.
Right? No, but before it splatters, you just don't get a hole in your Polourie, right?
Right.
You want to smooth, nice, even. So you want to break up all the air bubbles.
Air bubbles, okay.
All your hard work. So basically, you're going to drop it into the one, and you're going to drop it into the next. So what happens when you do that is that it's the second drop rounds it out.
Hey, no matter how I try, how I'm trying to fake it, seems we always end in familiar places. Now I can't escape, I don't know how to break.
The oils to prevent it from sticking, right?
Yeah. You have to kind of re-oil it every few. So this is not a low fat thing. So it kind of rounds it as it drops from the second one.
Right.
A little bit.
Yeah.
So why is it called 2-drop method?
Because you're dropping it into the spoon, the white spoon, and then you're dropping it a second time into the pot.